Exactly 3 years ago, we made a video titled Stock Market Predictions for 2023, the top 10 stocks to invest in which I advised you to load up on Tesla, Meta, NVIDIA, Apple, Exxon, amongst many others. Well, you already know the list. Fast forward to today, that basket is way up with NVIDIA alone pulling in 1,250%. So if you are even holding a fraction of those, you are probably doing quite well. But since the market rewards preparation rather than nostalgia, I'm about to give you some brand new airtight top 10 stocks for 2026. I mean the one I'm personally investing in. So you might be surprised. If you're ready as I am, let's dive in. NVIDIA stays at the top. They've made it big this year and we are still early in the multi-year AI adoption curve. Blackwell is going hard. Hyperscalers are actually angling for a massive 2026-2027 AI spend. And NVIDIA remains the backbone of modern computing. If you're wondering whether if it's too late, remember, foundational technologies rarely finish their run early. And this one is one of those. Next is Google. Google has quietly repositioned itself as a cloud and AI hybrid powerhouse. It's no longer just search and ads. It's infrastructure, enterprise tools, and evolving ecosystem that benefits from every layer of AI adoption. It's one of the few names combining skill, optionality, and financial strength. From there, we move to another tech titan that continues to dominate the enterprise world. Apple is the definition of consistency. Its services continue to expand, the ecosystem is still pulling users in, and new hardware, whether AR, VR, or next-generational devices can act as a new spark. From an analytical perspective, it's still a pillar of long-term portfolios. Staying in the big tech world, the next company is one of the strongest cash machines in the world. Microsoft remains one of the most reliable anchors in the global tech industry, with AI embedded across Azure, Office, and enterprise tools, and the company benefiting from both recurring revenue and new deployments. If you are looking for both stability and power, this is it. Now let's move to a name that has reinvented itself faster than many expected. But before I move on, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you are finding this helpful. Amazon isn't just a marketplace anymore. Amazon Web Services continue to lead the cloud infrastructure and now plays a central role in AI revolution. While logistical improvements are increasing margins on the retail side. In a market that is increasingly cloud-first and AI-heavy, Amazon remains essential. From tech, let's pivot to the financial sector, a name that consistently sets the benchmark. JPMorgan remains the strongest and the most diversified bank in the US. Even if rates drift lower, their balance sheet strength, lending business, investment banking, and wealth management keep them well positioned. When the macro picture gets uncertain, quality financials matter, and JPM sits at the top. From finance to energy, and yes, energy still matters. Despite the hype around clean energy, global demand for oil and gas hasn't disappeared, especially with supply constraints. Exxon continues to generate massive cash flow and has been rewarding shareholders like clockwork. If energy stays volatile in 2026, Exxon will be the go-to stabilizer. Our next pick explores stability from a completely different angle. Procter Gamble gives you consumer staple resilience. During periods of economic uncertainty, companies with established global brands, consistent demand tend to outperform their competitors. Procter & Gamble is exactly that predictable, steady, and disciplined safe haven with a cash flow to match their status. Moving on to a company that's defining consistency in healthcare. Johnson & Johnson is one of the most reliable players in the healthcare sector, with exposure across medical devices, pharma, and consumer health. It brings balance and staying power, something every long-term portfolio needs. And finally, let's wrap up with a company that thrives on global growth. Caterpillar is well positioned to benefit from infrastructure upgrades, energy development, mining cycles, and expansion of global capital expenditure. Whenever economies push for development, CAT is usually one of the first to catch the tailwind. I don't know if you've noticed, but 5 names from our 2023 list are still here: NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, and Exxon. Why? Because the strongest companies don't just survive cycles, they grow through them. This 2026 list is built around 3 pillars: strong cash flow, real growth drivers, and resilience in different market environments. But remember, the market will experience pullbacks, rotation periods, and surprises. So check our videos about the top trading indicators and the best day trading strategy to help you feel comfortable navigating market chaos. Like this video to burst into 2026 with a bang, subscribe to the channel, and pop in the comment section. I'm dying to know which stock on the list you are most excited for in 2026. Until next time, stay sharp, trade smart, and stay focused.
Olymptrade, care that counts.